Well, would you look at that? Sosa Mickey is donning an awesome hat with those awesome boomsticks. Welcome, everyone. Hollywood Studios here. Hello, everybody. This is Skylar here again. We are finally back at Hollywood Studios. Before we go on our first 5 Star Tours, they do have some Ralph Breaks the Internet merchandise there, including a pop version here. Fun Bun, and yes. Without being Ralph or some clothes if that's your thing. And check it out. They even have some Toy Story Land merchandise there. A Slinky Dark right here. We are finally inside Hollywood Studios. First ride, Star Tours. Let's go. Here's the Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. It's got the Mammalian Falcon.
Star Wars Galaxy's Edge.
That's gonna be Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, opening up in 2019. We already knew it will be opening in the fall. Concept art. The Resistance Intersystem Transport Ship.
Yeah, and of course, always still to be developed. Yeah, but kind of the idea, are you going to be...
Here's more of it. First started at Walker.
On the teachings of the Jedi Order. Our journey has brought us to this ancient Jedi temple.
Went on Star Tours.
Each new group flows through us. It binds the galaxy together. You students have proven to be sensitive to the Force, but were you destined to become Jedi?
I believe they are, Master.
All empty spaces. As you prepare to board your subspeeder, thank you for choosing Star Tours and enjoy your flight.
Kenny Baker. Anthony Daniels. Anthony Daniels. Kenny Baker.
I'm sitting next to Mommy on the ride.
We made it to Droid's custom area. Look, there's Captain Rex from the original Star Tours.
I could really use a hand.
Let's keep it moving. Let's keep it tight. Security is a very serious business, people. I do not have time to joke around. But if I did, I would tell you a very...
Continue to move all the way across your line. Galactic regulations require that all carry-on items be safely stowed beneath your seats. To fasten your restraint, use the yellow strap to pull the belt out from the right side of the seat and snap the belt.
Alright, here we go. We will see you after the ride. That was a fun ride. Yep.
Say one of your videos, everyone make sure you can watch your other videos, watch the ride
So we wrote that scene from Force Awakens and Last Jedi. That was cool from our video, our other video. Make sure you check it out. This used to have a statue in the original. gift store.
Right there. Rebel.
Look at that. Oh my gosh, those being attacked by stormtroopers. Oh my god, it's Chewbacca.
All three of them, there's individuals.
It's awesome. Hello.
You're just you. Right over here. Can I do a facial in my backpack?
It's you.
Here, just about to the left. Feel step to the left as well.
Pose for the picture.
Come forward. There.
Yes, sir.
You match the description of a reported resistance supporter. Let me see some identification.
Yeah, I don't have any. Tell them I don't have any.
I don't have any.
We'll keep an eye on you, civilian.
What? I was a
Go ahead with image capture.
Your fiance.
Let's go. Assembly zones. Step over here. Have you pledged your support to the First Order? That's good. See that it stays that way. Go ahead. Make it quick. Move along. Attention. We are moving to new coordinates.
Thank
We
you.
are leaving this area. Careful, citizen. Attention. This is active patrol. We are leaving this area. Remain safe out there. Go on.
Already, Princess, have been given new orders at this time. If you were not...
Attention.
All the way around.
Come forward. Your thoughts between you. You support the resistance. Do not misplace your loyalty. The consequences will be unpleasant. You would support our enemy. If you stand against us, you won't be standing alone. Very well.
Thank you.
Yes, I'm sure your comrades in the resistance miss you.
Additional scan.
You may.
Thank you. Excellent.
I like that fountain. We are going to Muppet Vision 3D. Stage 3D as well, the magic happens back in the day.
Ah, te tienes que poner unos lentes igual.
Yes.
For the big test screening of Muppet Vision 3D, the doors to your
Oh,
right
she's
will
cute.
be opening towards you, so please stay behind the yellow line for me. All the way behind the yellow line for me. Thank you. Make sure everyone in your party has a special pair of our 3D glasses.
Okay, here we are inside the theater.
Welcome to Muppet 3D. As you enter your theater, you may choose a row you like, but once you choose that row, please continue moving all the way down. Please do not leave any empty seats between you and the guests next to you. Please turn all available space. Thank you.
Okay, we're gonna put on our pink 3D glasses on, and we will see you after the show. Okay, that was a great show. Okay, we are finally back inside Toy Story Land.
Arms, feet, and legs inside Slinky on that one.
Now you can see the coaster. Look, there's the big Pixar ball. Alien swirling saucers right over there. More of the coaster. Okay, we are going on Slinky Dark Dash. So this is a Slinky Dark ride that we're about to go on.
Welcome to Slinky Dog Dash. I'm Slinky Dog. And for your safety, remember to stay seated with all your... Hang on to your springs and coils, cause this here coaster is the wildest ride in Andy's backyard.
Whoa! Here we go! Oh my gosh, go, go, go!
Hang on! Here we go!
That was a great ride.
Ready to sing along?
You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from a nice warm day, you just remember around the backyard. Now please stay seated till we come to a complete stop. Remember to grab all your step out to your right. So long, pal.
That was a big ride.
What? Did Chewie like it?
The first time he's like, oh!
Galaxy's Edge.
Here we go.
We'll be riding it again very soon. Today.
The Walt Disney Theater.
Oh, Disneyland. I don't know if Disneyland.
There's the show. I'm not gonna videotape the show. We'll see you afterwards. Oh, I just got out of that full documentary on our favorite cast member Disney himself. It was super awesome. We're going on a Tower of Terror.
You unlock this door with a key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. The time is now, on an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story of the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Have any solo travelers? Parties of one. Anyone need a break from their family?
1939. The Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star, a beacon for the show business elite. Until 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and into a nightmare. Now that door has opened once again. For you.
Get that picture? I don't want to get that. Okay, 108.83.43. Prices at sale. Time.
So we are finally back at Toy Story Land again.
It was amazing, you're right.
We are riding Slinky Dark Dash again.
Here we go again. For like the 15th or 16th time on our trip, and second time today, right?
Springs and coils, cause this here coaster is the wildest ride in Andy's backyard.
We're here, it's right there. Which leg? Hold on. Hey, Sky.
Here we go. That was a great ride. That was super fast.
Done like 15 or 16 times on this trip, buddy.
Yep.
World's record.
That ride was super fast.
Hey, babe. Hey, done.
Yep, that was
Done. Look, there's a supermodel in the park.
We're going on Toy Story Mania. This is a brand new entrance. And that's a whole new queue line. In the past, Toy Story Mania used to be at Pixar Place, but now you'll no longer be going to there. So it's now moved to Toy Story Land. Oh my gosh, that's like the biggest Wildcard ever. Mr. Potato Head. Big Uno card. Grants. I'm excited to win. That was a great ride.
What did you get?
199,000 points.
You got 199.
And I'm the best in vehicle.
I saw that. I was wondering who got that score. Cause I got 149. I'm like, I got the best score, but then I saw you. Somebody beat me. That was you. What did you get, Mom?
I think I got something around like what you got.
Don't be a sore loser. You got bested by a better player.
Who used to start its run over there long?
You used the force. Keep it moving.
Here.
Wait for the exit.
Here, Dad, here.
Here we go.
Here, Dad, here.
Let's look through this huge brown wall to see if we can see the former Pixar Place from down there. Sorry. Oh my gosh. There it is. The former Pixar Place. Here's more shots of the former Pixar Place. That was super great.
You gotta go back to them. Ready? On your mark. Get set. Go.
Everybody to move more or less.
You do it now, buddy. Mom's got that down. Oh, yeah. Woo. The queen of the hula hoop. Yeah.
We are back at Sci-Fi Dining Theater for dinner.
The three.
Here's a car.
Okay, which one? This one?
Back row. Why is this push button in the order? Never go to sleep while the motor is running.
Thank you, Gargo. In this exciting age when everyone seems to be talking about the future possibilities of space travel, there's much speculation on what we will discover when we visit other worlds.
Just got our food.
Is a young electronics genius who is always busy formulating new
Are you okay with just ketchup, Papa?
Yes.
Okay.
Ketchup's my favorite topping.
as his secretary. Efficient, hardworking, and rather attractive.
Got a barbecue.
Of course, the villain is a mechanical robot. He is usually controlled by a Martian.
On the teachings of the Jedi Order. Our journey has brought us to this ancient Jedi temple.
We're on Star Tours.
That's right. A Tatooine vacation has everything under the suns. So call Star Tours and book passage to Tatooine today.
Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure.
1401, that's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me, you don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429er.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Stop right there.
Don't shoot!
I know you have a spy on board.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake.
They're a spy and a traitor to the First Order.
I've never seen that human before.
Thank you. Don't be a fool. You are no match for the power of the dark side.
God, Sergeant! Someone could get hurt! don't like the look of this. And it just got worse.
Star Tours, what are you doing here?
I have no idea.
Well, stay low.
Why?
Confuse their tracking. And put your shields on. If they work.
This is no time for heroics. Oh, thank the maker. Shoot! And you, that back this instant. Arthur, I'm getting us out of this dreadful place. A transmission. BB-8, what are you doing here? Mission? What mission? He says he has vital information to deliver and needs our help. Well, we're not going on any mission. It's bound to be dangerous. R2, we're not going. Good luck. Wait! Where are we going? No! R2, are you sure these are the right coordinates? They are! Hang on, everyone! I wasn't programmed for this! Watch out! We're done for!
What's next, Star Tours?
Here we go again!
Okay, fire. Keep it tight.
I can't see a thing! R2, do something!
Star Tours, you shouldn't have come.
I heartily concur.
Execute them.
We're leaving this instant! R2, where are you going?
Nice job, Star Tours. All right, we'll take it from here.
Well done, R2. Now let's go! We'll be safe here, number 2. I hope. Yes, R2. I believe this adventure is just beginning. What are you looking at? Go away! Go away!
Well, please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.
No shouting. No shouting like, ah! What happened?
Unbelievable. Take my glasses up. My glasses.
Just going because I like that scene from Force Awakens. There's no shouting.
The dark side right there. The two dark sides. Anakin Skywalker, Darth Vader.
Papá, ¿dos personas? ¿Por qué pusiste solo dos?
And with that, it's time to leave the park. That's gonna do it for today from Disney's Hollywood Studios. If you're new here, please subscribe. By doing so, helps keep you up to date on new videos as well as uploads here on this channel. If you enjoyed this awesome video, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and let me know you care. Like, comment, and subscribe, and ring that notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, I'll see you soon, and the vlog is over.